Right paddle forward, just sort of one goes bigger, so that puts it into manual mode. And the moment you release the brake in this car, it will want to shoot forward. So make sure you're clear from your left for me, Miles. And if we are, away we go, sir. So what do you normally drive then?
Jaguar X-Type.
Oh, okay. You mean a Mondeo?
Yeah, basically, yeah.
Cool. So you've been here before for anything, any of the big events, or?
No, it's my first time.
Okay. Bit of a dreary March day, unfortunately, today, isn't it?
Yeah, it's my birthday today.
Oh, happy birthday.
Thank you.
So you're doing anything else after this then, or?
Going out for some lunch and then having something to drink later on tonight.
Cool, sounds good. That's it, so if you just grab a gear, that's it, simple as that, that's it, so keep it rolling, Miles. So just follow the road round. That's it, so keep it going. I think we're the only people out here, to be honest. It's very quiet at the moment. So before you cross that white line in an F1 car, it's a $10,000 fine, you know. I asked you for a tenner, so we're alright. So keep to the left, Miles. So bit of brake, get a feel for the pedal, and get the front turned in. That's it. Just keep the car in the middle, and straight back across to the left. It. Keep it coming over to the left, keep it left, Miles, keep it left, keep it left, keep it left, keep it left. Little touch of the brake, then off the brake, nice early turn it in. Think in your head we're trying to make everything straight. The straighter you can make the car go, the better. Now, away you go, pick up the power. That's it, keep it going, mate, keep it going. Keep it going, so looking ahead, plan what's coming up, keep it going, Miles, keep it going. Start to let the car come back over to the left hand side. That's it, stay left, so stay left, bit of braking, keep braking, then off the brake, get the front across. That's it, bring it in nice and tight. Now start to let the car go back out to your left hand side, bit of gas now. Go on, keep it going, mate, keep it going, Miles. Now this is a bit of track you haven't seen, so let the car come back to the right. And brake in, down a gear. Keep braking, keep braking, keep braking, and sharp left. That's it, aim for the edge of the curb. Straight back across for the edge of the next curb. Good. Then let the car go back out to your left, aim for the black and white curbing again. Stay left, stay left, stay left. Keep it going, a bit more gas, Miles. Now bring the front in, through the last bit of club corner. Then let it go all the way out to the curbing on the left for your exit. Pick up the power, over the start finish line. Stay on the left, Miles, stay on the left. Coming up to Abbey, stay left. Braking. Now off the brake, turn it in. That's it. Bit of gas now. Straighten the car up, stay in the middle. Go on, keep it going. Back into your left. And this is where we started from, Miles. Go on, keep going, keep going, keep going. Stay left again. Braking. Down a gear. Keep braking, keep braking, keep braking. Sharp right. Get it turned in. That's it. Straighten it out. Back across to the left. That's it. Keep it going. Keep it left. Keep it left. Keep it left. Keep it left, Miles. Bit of a brake now. Turn nice and early. Again, too late. Like I say, think in your head. Nice straight line. Straighten it up. Now power, go. Power, power, power. Don't change gear. Rev the engine. Go on. Build the revs up. Build the revs up. Build the revs up. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Now change. That's it. Back over to your left, braking, down a gear, a bit harder on the brake, stay left, keep braking, now off the brake, into your right, that's good. Again, follow the road round, then start to use all the road on your left, straighten the car up, back on the gas, then back to your right again, that's it then, braking, down a gear. Keep right, keep braking, keep braking, keep braking, and sharp left. Edge of the curb. Back across the next curb. And let the car come back out to the left. Aim for the curbing again, use all the road. And get it turned in. good. Now let the car stay left. Now start to pick up the power again. Keep it going, keep it going. Keep left, keep left, keep left. Braking. Then off, turn it in. That's it. Then straighten the car up, stay in the middle. Go on, keep it going, Miles, keep it going. Back across. That's it, keep it going, keep it going. Bring it back to your left. Brake in, down a gear. Keep braking, Miles, keep braking, keep braking. Then sharp right, get it turned. That's it. Then ease it back into the middle. Now straight back across to the left. Go on, keep it going, bit of gas. Go on, keep going, Miles. Stay left, stay left. And brake. Now turn, turn, turn early. That's better. Now use the road. Let the car straighten itself out. And go. Power, 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 power. That's it. Gear. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Gear. Bring it back to your left. Brake it. Down a gear. Harder on the brake marks. More pressure, more pressure. Better. Now off the brake, turn it in. That's it, a little bit of gas, feel what the car's doing. Straighten it back out. Bring it back to your right. And braking again, down a gear. Keep braking, keep braking, keep braking, keep braking. Now sharp left. Turn it in. Straight back across. Back out to your left. Keep left, keep left, keep left. Keep left, go on, keep going, Miles, bit of gas. Now ease the front across. Then let it come out to your left. Stay left for me, stay left. Go on, power, 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 power. Go on, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep left, Miles, keep left. Brake it. Now off the brake, turn it in. That's it, now straighten it up, bit of gas, back into your left. Go on, keep it going, Miles, keep it going. That's good. Keep it left, and braking hard, down a gear. Keep braking, sharp right, get it turned. Good. Back into the middle, so that was a bit too much gas with the lock on. Go on, keep going, keep going. Now stay left, stay left, stay left. Bit of a brake, now off, turn, 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 nice and early. That's it, now start to straighten the car up, then think about the gas. Now go, power. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Keep it going, keep it going. And braking. Unfortunately, Miles, the bad news is we've got to bring it back in the pits for the end of our first session. So if you keep it on the right for me now, then if you just stay to the right hand side, we'll bring it back in the pits. How was that for you?
Very good.
Enjoy it?
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, you just need to again have it braking a little bit harder, getting the speed off quicker, and you can be getting back on the power at some corners a little bit earlier. We had a little wobble there. That was just because you still had the lock on and you try to put the power on, so back wanted to step out. Because when the track's like this, it's just, you know, it's damp and greasy, just horrible.
Yeah.
Basically. It just offers very little grip. But you get some people, it gives them the, you know, preconception of, oh, it must be dry because the wipers aren't on, but this is when the track's at its very worst. But now, so second session, got a bit to work on, but all going well, so excellent.